Supreme Court, meanwhile, hearing argument in a case against the Affordable Care Act for the third time today.
Republican state attorney generals filed that suit asking the court to strike down the act. Michael Martin spoke with the legal expert who says their decision will impact thousands of families here in West Michigan. Michael?
Yeah, Janice, Derek, there are a few different questions in front of the court today, but ultimately the ACA, the Affordable Care Act, could be ruled unconstitutional, which, according to healthcare advocates we heard from just this afternoon, could mean hundreds of thousands of Michiganders losing their existing health coverage.
The lawsuit threatens to snatch coverage from millions of Americans.
On Tuesday, the United States Supreme Court heard arguments in a lawsuit brought by several Republican attorneys general, asking the court to ultimately rule the Affordable Care Act unconstitutional.
President Trump and his Republican allies have been attacking the Affordable Care Act for the past 4 years. And this lawsuit is no different.
Diane Byram, director of Protect Our Care Michigan, spoke alongside other healthcare advocates Tuesday afternoon, urging the court to keep the ACA intact.
Recent estimates from the Urban Institute indicate that more than 840,000 Michiganders would lose their health insurance coverage.
David Rutledge, a Griffin Endowed Chair of American Government and professor with CMU, points out that this isn't the first time the Affordable Care Act has been challenged.
The first came in 2012, and the issue there was centered around the mandate, the fact that the law contained this portion that required people to that did not get into the insurance or purchase insurance to pay.
That mandate or tax was found to be constitutional, and the ACA stayed intact. It was challenged again in 2017, at which point that mandate requiring folks to pay if they didn't sign up for insurance was eliminated. The question now is whether removing that mandate invalidates the entire law, or if it can be separated out.
If they said, well, we've considered the intent, we can't find any other parts of the Affordable Care Act unconstitutional, then it remains as it is now.
Rutledge says it is possible that the justices will determine a piece of the act unconstitutional while keeping portions of it in place.
When justices sit on the bench, it is my deep belief, and maybe that belief is anchored in hope, that what they're really looking at is the rule of law, the Constitution, the laws that are made, and interpreting them in the way that is consistent with what the framers of the Constitution intended.
Now, we did reach out to the Michigan Republican Party, who said they have no comment at this time. Now, we will likely have to wait some time before we hear the decision from the court. But during today's hearings, both Chief Justice Roberts and Justice Kavanaugh signaled they're likely unwilling to strike down the law in its entirety. Their votes, along with the 3 liberal justices, would be a majority. We'll keep you updated. For now, though, live in the newsroom, Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.